Fáilte go program na seacansa. Welcome to Speaking Our Language. And this week we'll be teaching you how to order drinks in Gaelic. At the moment I'm in Loch Burstal in Uist Jess, South Uist. If you don't fancy a drink, how about a cuppa? The Gaelic for tea and coffee is very similar to the English. Tea, tea agus coffee, tea and coffee. And to say please, you say Masse ar tole. Tea? Masse ar tole. Oh, tap of life.
Tea. Ian. Tea, Masse ar tole. Anna.
Coffee.
Gaelic. Coffee, Masse ar tole. Sham. Tea, tappely.
Masse ur tol e. Masse ur tol e. Please. Masse ar tole.
Tap alive. At the end of that scene, when the tea was handed over, the word shaw, here or here you are, was used. Shaw. Listen again.
Ian. Tea, Masse ar tole. Anna.
Coffee.
Gaelic. Coffee, Masse ar tole. Callum. Tea, tappely. Hamish. Sure. Tappely.
Of course, it's how you take your tea that's important. The word for cup in Gaelic is cúpa. But also listen out for the words du, black, du, and gal, white, gal.
Coffee too. Tea agus coffee too, Masse ar tole.
Tea agus coffee too. Cleva.
Coffee, Masse ar tole. Coffee too.
Sure, coffee too.
Tappely.
Cúpa tea agus coffee. Aye, coffee gal. Agus coffee gal.
Cúpa tea agus cúpa coffee.
Cúpa tea. A cup of tea. Cúpa tea. Agus cúpa coffee. And a cup of coffee. Agus cúpa coffee. Coffee do. Black coffee. Coffee do. Coffee gyal. White coffee. Coffee gyal.
Instead of cúpa for cup, some people say coppa, and you may prefer using what you're most likely to hear from the people you meet. The same goes for differences in any other words that are used from area to area. We'll be using cúpa for now.
Coffee too. Tea agus coffee too, Masse ar tole.
Tea agus coffee too. Cleva.
Coffee, Masse ar tole. Coffee too.
Sure, coffee too.
Tappely.
Cúpa tea agus coffee. Aye, coffee gal. Agus coffee gal.
Cúpa tea agus cúpa coffee. Two other words that you'll find useful are bainne, milk, and
Sugar. Sugar.
to say with milk or with sugar, you say le bainne, or le siúcar, le siúcar.
Camera ship and do.
Hakama, hype the anju.
Ha, hi, dia.
Fiskerma.
Fisker ma. Hana.
Cúpa tea maser tolle.
Cúpa tea agus coffee gal maser tolle.
Cúpa tea agus cúpa coffee.
Le bainne agus siúcar.
Le bainne agus le siúcar. Glíba.
Coffee tú agus Anna,
Tea maser tolle.
agus cúpa tí. An agus?
Coffee mar sé tolle.
Agus cúpa coffee.
Gan siúchgar.
Gan siúchgar.
Cúpa tea stachúpa coffee.
Ai, cúpa tí agus tá cúpa coffee. Gan siúchgar.
Cooper coffee. A cup of coffee. Cooper coffee. Da chupa coffee. 2 cups of coffee. Da chupa coffee.
Da chupa coffee. 2 cups of coffee. Gun sugar. Without sugar. Gun sugar. Listen again.
Camera ship and do.
Hakama, hype the anju.
Ha, hi, dia.
Fiskerma.
Fisker ma. Hana.
Cúpa tea maser tolle.
Cúpa tea agus coffee gal maser tolle.
Cúpa tea agus cúpa coffee.
Le bainne agus siúcar.
Le bainne agus le siúcar. Glíba.
Coffee tú agus Anna,
Tea maser tolle.
agus cúpa tí. An agus?
Coffee mar sé tolle.
Agus cúpa coffee.
Gan siúchgar.
Gan siúchgar.
Cúpa tea stachúpa coffee.
Ai, cúpa tí agus tá cúpa coffee. Gan siúchgar.
Seo. Cúpa tea, tafla. Agus coffee gal le siúcar.
Gleva, tatli.
Shefe.
At the end of that last scene, the waitress said, "Share beher. You're welcome." Share beher. Watch out for it again.
Seo. Cúpa tea, tafla. Agus coffee gal le siúcar.
Gleva, tatli.
Shefe.
Sure. Coffee tea.
Tapilif.
Share beher.
Your turn to order a few refreshments now. We'll remind you of the phrases first.
Coffee gyal. Cooper tea. Da chupa coffee. Coffee do. Now you try. Coffee gyal. Cooper tea. Da chupa coffee. Coffee do.
If you do find yourself in a cafe or a bar, someone might ask you what you want to drink. To say, "What do you want?" you say, "Je hashiv agiri." Je hashiv agiri.
Jeshivakiri. Anna. A cúpa coffee. Agus cúpa tea, tapalif.
Cheers, Shivagiri.
Chalam sé fagéri.
A pint laga mar sé tola.
Pins lagar agus súáis.
Sue Orange.
Ai, tafla.
Shivagiri.
Ellie, dear Shivagiri.
Sue Orange.
Anna, dear Shivagiri.
Coke.
Coke, Sue Orange, agus le pint laga mar sé tola.
J hashif agiri. J hashif agiri. What do you want? J hashif agiri.
Pint lager, a pint of lager. Le pint lager, a half pint of lager. Le pint lager agus Sue Orange, half a pint of lager and an orange juice. Listen again.
Shivagiri. Anna. A cup of coffee. A scoop of tea, Daphne.
Cheers, Shivagiri.
Chalam sé fagéri.
A pint laga mar sé tola.
Pins lagar agus súáis.
Sue Orange.
Ai, tafla.
Shivagiri.
Ellie, dear Shivagiri.
Sue Orange.
Anna, dear Shivagiri.
Coke.
Coke, Sue Orange, agus le pint laga mar sé tola.
Cheers, Shivagiri.
Hamigiri Sue Orange Maser Tole.
Hamigiri Sue Orange. I want an orange juice. Hamigiri I want. Look out for Hamigiri.
Dear Shivagiri.
Hamigiri vodka is Coke. Agus a chonig, dear Shivagiri.
Pins.
Lager?
Ai.
Agus pint lager. Anna?
Hamigiri Ishkipea.
Agus uske behem mar sé tola.
Well, ishke means water. Ishke behe, whiskey, means water of life. Ishke behe. Ishke behe. One customer also said vodka is Coke. That's a short way of saying vodka agus Coke. Vodka and Coke.
Dear Shivagiri.
Hamigiri vodka is Coke. Agus a chonig, dear Shivagiri.
Pins.
Lager?
Ai.
Agus pint lager. Anna?
Hamigiri Ishkipea.
Agus uske behem mar sé tola.
Sláinte. Cheers.
Let's find out how the MacLeods are doing in our drama, Ickenhai, at home.
You're a cup of coffee.
Mommy.
Mommy. Dia Shavikiori. Chop suey. Maser tole.
Maser Tolle.
Well. Mommy. Chop suey. Me giri chop suey. Ian.
Okay. Dia Shavikiori.
Chop suey.
Esken Mayan, Dia Shavikiori.
Hamigiori paint lager, Mathias Tolle. Slancheva.
When Mr. MacLeod got his drink from the barman, he said, Sláinte bhean. Good health. Cheers. You can either use sláinte or sláinte bhean. Listen again.
Slancheva.
Mommy.
In our next programme, we'll be visiting Dunvegan in the Isle of Skye in Chelan Skianoch, and we'll be looking at how to say what you like and what you don't like. Until then, sláinte. Cheers. Sláinte.
In this week's programme, we introduced you to J. Hashif Agiari. J. Hashif Agiari. Ha mi agiari ishke behe. Ha mi agiari ishke behe. Mas urtol e. Mas urtol e. Coffee du agus coffee giall. Coffee du agus coffee giall. Le bagne. Le bagne. Gun shoekar. Gun shoekar. She behe. She behe. Pinch. Pinch.